So I'm going to do an unboxing of the Kingslim D2 2.5K dual dash cam, purchased on Amazon. Here's the box, nice compact, outlines some of the features. Camera, very compact. You can see, I mean, I have a normal size hand, it's small. Nice and clean looking. We have controls over here. SD slot, or mini SD, micro SD. Lens cover. And also in this box is a rear camera. With the mounting bracket and the plug. This is an interesting type of plug here. Let me focus on that. 4-pin. You can order extensions online if you need to, but this comes with a 23-foot cable length. This plugs into the camera itself. This is to the rear camera once you wire it through everything. This goes to your tail light. So you get the reverse features, automatically switch to rear camera in reverse. Here's the power supply. I believe, let me double check here. Yeah, it's a 5 volt, it's a 12 volt to 5 volt converter. Actually, it takes 8 to 36, so you can kind of plug this in any outlet that would have this socket size, and it'll convert it to the needed voltage to power the camera. You might be able to get away with a different USB 5 volt. Here it is. This is not your standard micro USB. This is, I think, mini USB. Suction cup for mounting the camera. Slides in right there. That looks pretty nice, actually. Pretty nice setup. And then comes with a few more little goodies. These are for helping you to hide your cables. On my last dash cam install, I use these a lot to just clean up the look a little bit. It's kind of nice. You can just tuck it around corners. Here's some extra sticky mounts and screws. That's kind of nice of them because you might mess up a screw or two, or you might need to move your rear camera after you get it hooked up. A spudger for getting under your door trim so you can hide the cable. More of these. They really give it to you. Nice warranty card. And the quick start guide. Let's see. A lot of these don't have that great of instructions. This looks pretty clear. And it lists everything that's supposed to be included. And we definitely have everything that it's supposed to come with. I think we have more screws than it even says here. This does not come with a micro SD card. You can get those pretty cheap, like $20, $30 for a 128 gig card, which is the maximum that this takes. Recommends the U3. You can go with the class 10, it'd probably be okay. With 4K video, you definitely want that extra speed. Don't do a super cheap card. You see how they have it routed over here. It's definitely pretty easy to just tuck it around there. I've done a similar install. There you have it. The Kingslim D2 dual dash cam setup.